10 tasks that ChatGPT can make for me.
ChatGPT can help you with a wide range of tasks. Here are some examples of what it can do. 1. Answer questions. You can ask questions about various topics, such as general knowledge, science, history, current events, and more. 2. Generate text. If you need help writing an article, essay, or any other piece of text, you can provide some context or prompts, and ChatGPT can generate a response for you. 3. Creative writing. If you're looking for inspiration or need assistance with creative writing, ChatGPT can offer suggestions, brainstorm ideas, or even generate a story or poem based on your input. 4. Language translation. ChatGPT can help with language translation by providing translations or helping you with phrases or sentences in different languages. 5. Spell checking and grammar. You can use ChatGPT to check your writing for spelling errors or grammar mistakes. It can also offer suggestions to improve sentence structure or clarity. 6. General advice. Whether you need advice on personal matters, career decisions, or any other aspect of life, ChatGPT can provide guidance based on the information you provide. 7. Personalized recommendations. If you're looking for book recommendations, movie suggestions, or even travel destinations, you can provide some preferences, and ChatGPT can offer personalized recommendations based on your input. 8. Product information. If you have questions about specific products, such as electronic devices, appliances, or gadgets, ChatGPT can provide you with information about their features, specifications, or comparisons between different options. 9. Mathematical assistance. ChatGPT can help with mathematical calculations, equations, or concepts. Whether you need assistance with basic arithmetic, algebra, geometry, or calculus, it can provide explanations and guide you through problem solving. 10. Coding help. If you're working on a coding project and need assistance, ChatGPT can provide guidance, suggest solutions, or help you troubleshoot errors in various programming languages like Python, JavaScript, or Java. Please remember, while ChatGPT can be a helpful resource, it's important to consult specialized sources, professionals, or official documentation for complex or critical tasks.
If you like to receive more interesting videos, you can subscribe. Thanks for watching and share this video.